Hello guys and welcome back to the channel Amazing Facts Around Us. Today we will be seeing about top 5 natural wonders of India which may not be mentioned in your geography book. When we think of natural wonders, the Grand Canyon, the Great Barrier Reef, Mount Everest and the Amazon rainforest are the names that typically come to the mind. However, there lies a treasure trove of strikingly scenic natural wonders a little closer to home too. One of the world's most varied countries in terms of geographical diversity, India has an astonishing array of natural wonders. Some are pretty well known and undeniably spectacular, while others are less discovered gems. However, they have one thing in common: they will all take your breath away. So, if you are looking for travel inspiration to reignite your wanderlust, here's a roundup of 5 natural wonders in India. First up is the Lonar Lake. Incredibly old at 50,000 years, the Lonar crater is the youngest and best preserved impact crater formed in basalt rock and is the only kind of it on the earth. The crater was formed 52,000 years ago when a gigantic meteor crashed into the earth with an estimated speed of 90,000 km/h. Over time, the jungle took over the deep depression and a perennial stream transformed the crater into a tranquil green lake. Today, the forest-fringed lake located in the Buldana district of Maharashtra is a wildlife sanctuary with a unique ecology that is vast from the surrounding flat landscape. Its water supports different microorganisms rarely found elsewhere on Earth, while its surroundings are peppered with fragments of unique minerals like mascalinite. Number 2. The Bora Caves. Most people have never seen a real cave in their whole life, but still those who do remain permanently fascinated by the amazing display of natural forces. The rock formation at Bora Caves, located in Anantagiri Hills of Andhra Pradesh, Araku's Valley, are proof that wonderful things can appear when water meets limestone. Among the deepest caves of India, Bora was created millions of years ago by the karstic actions of Gostani River and some spectacular speleothems. The local tribals also associate some legends with the cave. Interestingly, the cave is also highly valuable for anthropological research, with excavation unearthing stone tools of the Middle Paleolithic culture, confirming that human habitation in the area dating back to between 30,000 and 50,000 years ago. Number 3. The riverine potholes of Nigoj. Home to basalt rock riverbed, hollowed out by primordial potholes like a giant block of cheese, the village of Nigoj is a place that stays with you after your visit is long over. These pothole-shaped craters have been carved out by the waters of Kukdi River thousands of years ago. Some of these potholes run 40 feet deep, with swifts building nesting colonies in their overhanging rocks. Winter or summer is a good time to visit Nigoj, about 2 hours away from Pune. There is not much water in the river. A visit to this geographical wonder can also be combined with a visit to Morachi Chincholi, a unique village whose eco-friendly residents cohabit with hundreds of peacocks. Number 4. Gandikota Canyon. With striking grandeur reminiscent to USA's majestic Grand Canyon, Gandikota is 30 feet deep valley located in Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. Believed to be more than 1,000 years old, it is home for a 13th century Gandikota fort, an intricately carved citadel made up of red sandstone. Few sites in India can beat the Gandikota, but peering over the edge of this giant hole in the ground is enough of a thrill for some. To really appreciate the grandeur, one can hike all the way up to the George for unforgettable views of the river Pennar flowing to the forested canyon. It is also known as India's Grand Canyon. Number 5. Loktak Lake. The largest natural freshwater lake in northeastern India, Loktak Lake is home to a unique ecosystem called Pundi, a Manipuri word meaning floating mats of soil, vegetation, and organic matter, resembling miniature islands. These pundis are found in various forms, floating on picturesque freshwater lake that serves as a lifeline for communities living around it. What makes Loktak Lake even more special is the Kebul Lamajau National Park located at the southwestern part of the lake. It is a home to the world's only endangered Manipur brow-antlered deer, Sangai. The biodiversity hotspot is also home to 233 species of aquatic plants and more than 100 species of birds and 425 species of animals.